Meaning of genially.
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 Genially. Genially is an adverb that describes doing something in a friendly, kind, or well-disposed manner. When someone acts genially, they do so with a positive attitude, putting others at ease and creating a pleasant atmosphere. This can apply to a variety of situations, from social interactions to professional ones. People who are genial tend to be easy to approach and work with, and are often appreciated for their positive demeanor. Overall, acting genially is a great way to build relationships and create productive, harmonious environments.